Good morning and welcome back to the DC Trading channel. Today we're showing you exactly how to use your exclusive 50% off promo code to purchase our premium trading indicators and robots on dcfxtrading.com. Let's dive in. Step 1. Copy your promo code. First, grab your promo code. You can find it right here in the video description, or in our Telegram and WhatsApp groups. Step 2. Navigate to our website. Open your browser, type www.dcfxtrading.com, and hit enter. Step 3. Open the menu. On the welcome page, click the three-line menu icon at the top. Step 4. Choose your product category. Decide whether you want an indicator or a trading robot. Promo codes work on individual products, not on package bundles. Step 5a. Applying to an indicator. Select Indicators. Scroll with the side arrows to view our lineup. Boom and Crash Spike Detector 2025. 2025 Ultimate Trading System. 2024 Boom and Crash Spike Detector. Note, packages e.g. Boom and Crash Package are excluded from the discount. Example, click Crash 300 Sniper Spike Detector. Read the full product description. Click Add to Cart. Click View Cart. Locate the promo code box, paste your code, and hit Apply. Watch the 50% discount magically appear. Step 5b. Applying to a trading robot. Select Trading Robots. Scroll through our EAs. Boom and Crash Sniper Spike EA. Precision Spike EA for Boom and Crash 1000. Volatility 75 Panther EA. Gold Zaz Panther EA. Example, click Boom and Crash Sniper Spike EA. Read the details, then Add to Cart, View Cart. Paste your promo code, apply, 50% off. Step 6. Checkout Options. When you're ready, click Proceed to Checkout. You have two payment methods. PayPal Checkout Offline Payment. Fastest and easiest. Click the blue Checkout Without PayPal button. Select Offline Payment. Offline methods we accept. Mukuru, Western Union, Binance Crypto, EFT, FNB clients in South Africa. Skrill, email address available on request via WhatsApp. Click the yellow PayPal button and follow the prompts. After paying offline, message us on WhatsApp at +2 7683229304 or +2 7671192993 with the product name, proof of payment, your email address. We'll confirm your payment and send you the download link. That's it, a simple, step-by-step guide for using your promo code on dcfxtrading.com. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest trading tools and tips. Questions? Drop them in the comments or join our WhatsApp/